Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification, so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So rain data updated you today that Kaizer Chiefs look to Sundowns star to former dream midfielder. Kaizer Chiefs management are working around the clock to build Nasreddine Nabi squad up for June for the next season. According to the latest transfer gossip, Kaizer Chiefs are keeping closer talks on Sipho Mbolo's situation at Mamelodi Sundowns. Translated midfielder who is currently out on a loan at Sekhukhune United appears to be a top target at Naturene. As per Soccer Laduma, if everything goes according to the plan for Kaizer Chiefs, they could also welcome Bafana Bafana midfielder Yaya Sithole. Nasreddine Nabi could be best with the opportunity of fielding Yaya Sithole and Thabo Cele and Sipho Mbolo in what would be a dream for midfielder. Kaizer Chiefs are also near on signing the Portuguese based on Bafana Bafana midfielder Yaya Sithole. The 26 years old, who is currently on the books of Vixent, will be a weight addition to the Nabi squad. Yaya Sithole, with his incredible physical and vision, will commended the likes of Thabo Cele, Yusuf Mati and Njabulo Blom in the middle of the park. So, if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification, so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.